Good morning, everyone. I am Shruti Nagar and I take care of curriculum and training.
Hi, I'm Amita Bhardwaj. I'm Chief Delivery Officer in Footprints.
And this is a series that we are beginning so that we can support you to bring active learning at home and keeping in mind the current situation, the kind of challenges you are facing at home to engage children. I am sure with these sections and openings to ensure that even in this time the learning is continuously happening, and we will be happy to receive our children soon when we resume. So Amita ma'am, after the session with parents, and many of them recommended and asked if we can support them in creating daily routine at home.
Yeah, so good afternoon everyone. And this is nice opportunity to get connected with you all. Yeah, so how's the day going on? So I'm assuming the day is mixed with mixed emotions. Sometimes you feel happy, enthusiastic. Sometimes you get bored. Kab khulega ye lockdown? Kab kya hoga? I can understand that. But this is the what so. So let's create an opportunity in this current scenario. What can we do to busy our young children?
Absolutely. Like we know that we are based on high school foundation, which says that how much important is daily routine for young children. And now the situation has suddenly changed that from the daily routine at Footprints, they are now at home, and there may be challenges for them also to understand and predict what's happening. So why don't you share why are daily routines important?
Yeah, daily routine, Shruti, for young children important to really anticipate that what's happening next. When they can anticipate, they become less irritable and they are happier. They're looking forward to the next event. So that's why routines are important.
And also one part that I can relate to our discussion, that daily routines are also important because, you know, like you mentioned earlier, that children are not aware what's happening next. And so that is the reason their high energy is not channelized, and at the same time parents are busy, and that creates a conflict. So it would be amazing to explore more on this topic, that how beautiful it could be to have daily routine at home so that children have a great transition when they resume to school.
So yes, Shruti, and I'm just getting present that when we don't have routine, might be sometimes your moments are getting like you are struggling in, or might be there is a fight to get power. Children wants to do this, you want to do that, and then you start fighting.
True.
And both of you don't listen to each other.
Dear parents, so by the way, this session is going to tell you a lot of insights and openings on what are you actually going to do at home. And continuing to the conversation to create and organize ourselves first. And I am sure that many of us are struggling to at least get ourselves fit in this routine of work from home.
Because if we are not organized, we don't know that what we are going to do next, then how can we engage our children or our child into an active learning?
Got it, guys. Now you have the first thing to do is to create your own daily schedule a day before. Like you must be in your own company or on job, and you will have your own schedules up ready on your emails. So the first thing we propose is to have your own schedule ready. So that's the first thing you need to do. In our Footprints setting, the first daily routine, the part of the daily routine or component is arrival or greeting time. Now that children are at home, Amita ma'am, one curiosity comes up. How can children continue to welcome people or while they're asleep and they're up, and what should we do to ensure that they transit from sleep to a new fresh day?
In many ways, one way which I'm finding right now can look into it is we can have small and short conversations while I'm awaking my child. Right? I can give long strokes to my child. I can ask him or her, "Beta, let's go out, right? So now this is the time to wake up. Let's have chit chat and then we'll go." You know what your child wants to do, right? When he or she wakes up. So you can create that conversation. You can take your child into your lap. You can have small conversation. You can have long talks with him or her, and then get him ready for the day.
Awesome.
Just remember, your small hug, your one long stroke, your kiss on the forehead of your child, right, makes his or her day. Give confidence. So you can do that.
Powerful, absolutely. So guys, you know what you need to do next is that one, organizing yourself. The second important point is how do you make your child wake up? Why don't we add one more routine time so that parents have a lot to discover, engage themselves and children alongside when they're working from home. How about the first routine after they're up is the breakfast, the meal time?
Yes.
So can you share something about that?
Yes, so meal time is an opportunity to create lot many things with our children. At the time, you can, assuming that all of you have KDI chart, and if you don't have, you can download it from the website of HighScope, right? The KDIs, and you can see that there are lot many developments you can support during the meal time. You can talk about, like inside the language development, you can talk about the color, the shape, and the taste of the food, and you can ask questions to encourage the child to answer and then accept the child's answer and give the correct answer. Yeah, for example, if child says the color of bhindi is red, then don't say bhindi is not of red color. You can show some red color object and you can say, okay, lady finger is of green color beta. Bhindi ka rang to green hai, red color aisa hota hai. Then your child will grasp that like quickly and without losing confidence. Right. So we can use meal time for all these conversations and we can make it a story time also, Shruti.
Yep.
We can create lot many stories, rhymes with respect to vegetables and fruits and what we are getting from them so that we can build our health. This is the time to inculcate good eating habits in our children. Suppose my child is 2.5 years plus old, right? Then I can ask my child to set up the table or where we are having the breakfast. He or she can support mom, right, to arrange the breakfast for everyone. He or she can call family members, right? Okay, let's have breakfast. And then child will learn to have breakfast in a group, in a team. Then he is getting socially developed at the time.
Absolutely, and it's an important part of your social emotional development that you take responsibility and participate in a role. It's a community, you know, family is a community, and that's what we have part of our KDI. It's amazing and beautifully shared. So I think parents, you have one more thing to add on, that while you prepare for breakfast, don't just serve food to children directly in their bowls or, you know, plate. Rather, talk about, so what's there in the breakfast? What do you guess? Like Amita ma'am shared, that you can even have stories around what are you going to eat and what exactly the vegetables are, where does it come from. When we have lunch or dinner at home, generally we are with mobile phones or somebody cooking. We feel like meal times are just a time. However, these are, like Amita ma'am said, it's an important moment in children's life. When you're eating together, you're eating mindfully. I guess we have enough for this week. I'm summarizing. What we are doing is organizing our own schedules as per our job nature or work nature at home. Second is we're working on waking our children up with a long stroke or a hug and welcoming them to a fresh day. Third thing that we come across is having mealtime conversation while you can have stories or talk about the food that you're going to eat, and also allow children to take responsibility to serve the other family members. So this is for the week. We'll see you next week with another set of daily routine parts and components where you'll get more insights. Like Amita ma'am mentioned, that you always share your experience of doing these activities with us so that we can come up with another video that helps you there and makes your work from home and spending time with children effective.
Do this, parents, and share your experiences. We are excited to hear from you.
Got it.